If you're looking for a great rugged phone, then you've heard of AGM, whose rugged phones are very refreshing, like the world's largest speaker phone, or a unique looking rugged phone you've never seen before. Today's star is also from AGM, and this is their flagship model phone named AGM Glory G1S. The Glory G1S box is made of light-colored craft paper. The accessories inside are very simple: an 18-watt charger, a charging cable, a card pin, and instructions. Although the phone's dust plug has a string attached to prevent you from losing it, but in case you still accidentally lost the dust plug, AGM thoughtfully sent 2 backup dust plugs to you. Good job, AGM! As I said at the beginning, AGM's phone design is really different. Other rugged phones favor a tough design style, but AGM's rugged phone is not as tough. The Glory G1S has a lot of rounded rectangular patterns on its body. The curved design makes the phone fit better in the hand. I have to say that the Glory G1S does feel better than other rugged phones. The camera module is very large, taking up almost half of the phone. The speaker is on the right side of the camera module, so no matter how you hold the phone, the speaker will not be blocked. The big round sensor in the middle is not fingerprint recognition, the one below is. So what is this sensor? As you may have guessed, it's a thermal imaging camera. We will get into that later. It supports NFC and has a rope hole in the lower right corner. The SIM card tray supports 2 SIM or 1 SIM plus 512GB TIFF card. The hole in the top bezel is not an IR remote, but a laser pointer, which you can use to play with your pet. All the features you want in a rugged phone, the Glory G1S has them all, plus a novel design. Honestly, I really like this phone. Let's start with its camera system. After all, a camera module that big must be very impressive. The main camera is a 48MP IMX582. There's also a 2MP macro camera, a night vision camera, and a thermal imaging camera. The lower left corner is its flash. If you go to Amazon to buy a thermal imaging camera, it will probably cost you $200. If you want a high resolution, it may cost you $500 or more. But a high-resolution thermal imaging camera that supports 25fps video recording is built into the AGM Glory G1S now. Whether you are looking for wildlife late at night or need to check and repair equipment, thermal imaging camera will be the great help to you. So I have always felt that thermal imaging camera will definitely be a new feature that must be equipped in a flagship rugged phone in the future. Although the main camera, IMX582, is an old CMOS, it still performs well even today. Dynamic range and clarity are good. Next, you can enjoy the sample photos taken by AGM Glory G1S. As a flagship rugged phone, it is certainly very durable, but I still have to give you guys an idea of how rugged it is. First of all, the IP68 and IP69K certifications are definitely there. It can stay underwater for more than 30 minutes at 1.5 meters without getting water and fall at a height of 1.5 meters without getting hurt. Anyway, I never worry that a rugged phone being broken by me. Compared to its cool design and camera system with many features, its performance is not that great. But Snapdragon 480 5G as a low-power processor is more beneficial for battery life. And PUBG low graphic 40fps, it is also able to run smoothly. The 5500 mAh battery capacity may be small for users who cannot charge often, and AGM probably knows this. So the Glory G1S supports not only 18-watt wide charging, but also 10-watt dock charging. The G1S can be charged through the metal contact on its back. It's not wireless charging, but it's just as convenient as wireless charging. The AGM Glory G1S isn't perfect. It doesn't have a big battery and it doesn't charge fast, but it has a cool and unique look, a full range of features, and a thermal imaging camera. Even if you just want a great thermal imaging camera, maybe buying the Glory G1S would be a better value. I'm sure no one would hate a thermal imaging camera that can make phone calls. That's the end of the video. It's Will from Gizmochina. We'll see you next time.